everyone, my name is Kim and I'm the happiest cook. Today we are checking out the food scene in Seattle, Washington. Did you know that in Seattle there are some amazing Chinese restaurants? We have a lot of Chinese food. Today we are making one of my favorite dishes, Chinese crispy lemon chicken from scratch. It's super easy. It really isn't that difficult. And I have all my things ready. Do you have yours? Okay, like I always say, let's get cooking. Hi, here we are at the counter ready to roll. So I have my chicken all done. It is a boneless, skinless thigh that I chunked to pieces about that big. Okay? This is 1 egg, our soy sauce and our vinegar, and I've whisked it up. And what we're going to do is we're going to pour this over the chicken, stir it up, then we're going to cover it with a piece of saran wrap, and we're just going to let it sit for 20 minutes. Okay? And I'll be back in 20 minutes. Our chicken has been marinating. What we're going to do now is we're going to scoop out the chicken and we are going to put it directly onto our cornstarch and stir this up. As our chicken is cooked, we're going to be putting it on this tray, which is just a cookie sheet with paper towels. Pretty simple. You don't want to pile your chicken on. You want to do it in a single layer because you don't want it to steam cook. You want it to get crispy. I am going to drop a green onion in the oil. And when the green onion starts dancing, it means my oil is ready. Our pan is hot. This is our garlic and our ginger. And we're just going to put that in for about 30 seconds, not long at all. All right, then we are going to add our chicken broth, our lemon, our sugar, our soy sauce, and our honey. And what we're going to do is cook that until the sugar is all dissolved. The white sugar that we put in, and you can see it still, it's sitting in the bottom. Takes about a minute or two. Okay, then we're going to take our cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of water. We're going to mix that up. until the cornstarch is all dissolved. Like that. Looks like milk. Then we're going to bring this back up so that it's on a simmer. And we're going to slowly add the cornstarch water mixture to our liquid. And you'll notice the color changes. I don't know if you can see it, but it's kind of a glossy brown now. The cornstarch gives it that glossy look instead of like if you were to use flour and water to thicken it. And this is what you want. Show you the thickness you want. So you want it to be kind of almost the thickness of like syrup that you're going to put on your pancakes. That's about the thickness you want. So this is all ready. So I'm going to grab our chicken. All right, and we're going to put our chicken, no escapees, into our sauce. Escapee. And toss it all in there. And I'll be back in just a few minutes and let you see it all finished up. All right, our chicken is completely finished. So here's what it came out. This is what it looks like. Tastes even better. And the way we serve it in my house, 2 scoops of rice. Some chicken. And in my house, we do it with chopsticks. All right, so let's see. Oh my God. Well, if there was such thing as smell-o-vision, this is really amazing. Really good. I'm lucky I live here, huh? So, I am all done in Seattle. So, it was fun. Next week, we are taking our tour to Denver, Colorado. Oh my gosh, I have some amazing recipes. You're going to be so shocked because they're very different and really good. So, if you enjoyed this stint through watching me cook and did you learn something, then please hit subscribe. We really appreciate those subscribe buttons. And I will see you next week here on The Happiest Cook. And like I always say, let's get cooking and keep on cooking. Bye.